compulsory we have to balance that. Have to compulsory balance the reaction. So if you don't balance the reaction, what happen? The problem will be incomplete. So let me see how to balance this reaction. Now there are two things are there when you observe here when you're balancing the reaction. One is ion electron method. Generally used method is ion electron method. And the second one is oxidation number method. The second one is called what? Oxidation number method. There are two methods are there. One is ion electron method. Other is what? Oxidation number method. These are the two methods we discussed. Right? Now here a principle if you observe here, the change in the number of units in oxidation is equal to change in the number of units in what actually reduction. For example, what is the meaning of this one? For example, in oxidation, if you lose two electrons, just imagine if you lose two electrons, okay, you are losing what? Two electrons last year. Now, in reduction process, do you gain three electrons beta? Is it possible? Do you gain three electrons? Is possible? Yes. Is it possible to take three electrons in
No, sir.
reduction process? No. How many? You can gain two only.
Two.
That means the number of units in oxidation is always equal to number of units in reduction. This is the main thing we need to follow. And remaining will be what? Common things only. Let me see the first thing, ion electron method of reaction method. Generally we call ion electron method. Remember this one, ion electron method. Now, how to do this one? You see in the steps, first step, what we have to do. In first step, write the unbalanced equation. In first step, what you have to write here? Unbalanced equation. Okay, this is very simple. Question is nothing but when in the examination, if the given question, that question itself is an unbalanced equation. So you have to write the first question actually. That is the first step. Second step, if you observe, divide the equation into two halves. So whatever the equation they given, no, you divide that one into half reaction. Means what? Oxidation, half cell, and reduction, half cell. Like that you have to divide. For example, see, zinc plus copper plus 2, converting into zinc plus 2 copper. In this oxidation reaction here, reduction reaction. This is reduction reaction, this is oxidation reaction. Now, how do you separate here? Zinc converting into zinc plus 2. This is after the oxidation half cell. And copper plus 2 converting into taking 2 electrons. Otherwise, you directly write like this copper. Here also plus 2. Now, this is the main equation. In this main equation, what we are doing here, we are dividing this main equation into two half cells beta. H means half, C means cell. Two half cell. One is oxidation half cell, second is reduction half cell. So divide the equation into two halves. This is the second step. Next, balance each half cell separately. Balance atoms other than the oxygen and hydrogen atom. After that, what we have to do, we have to balance separately oxidation half cell and reduction of cell. But when you're balancing, first you have to balance other than oxygen and hydrogen. So if you have something what zinc, iron, like that, you have to balance. Except to have oxygen and hydrogen, remaining atoms you have to balance. So when you're balancing in the third step, so what is the third step beta? When you're balancing, except oxygen and hydrogen, remaining we need to balance it. Next, if you observe, to balance oxygen, I want to balance oxygen, add water. For example, I want to balance two oxygens. How many water I have to add better? How many water I have to add? Anybody? Yes. How many beta? I want to balance 2 oxygens, right? How many water I have to take here? Yes, 2 water molecules.
Two.
We balance 2, see, we'll discuss everything when you do the problem. Just only I'm mentioning the steps. Once we'll take the problems, it will be easy for you. To balance hydrogens in acidic medium. For example, I want to balance in acidic medium. For example, I want to balance 3 hydrogens. How many H plus I have to add? 3 H plus, right? In basic medium, add water on the either side. This will I will explain later better. This I will explain because even though I explain what happened, you can't understand. Once we take the problem only, it will be understood. Okay. After that, balance the charge by adding electrons here. So let me see everything here in detail, each and everything. This is the example I'm taking here. This is the example. Now this is unbalanced equation. Okay. Now first step I have written unbalanced equation. Now this is in acidic medium beta. Now remember whenever you are doing acidic medium, okay, hydrogen is balanced with H plus ions. Oxygens are balanced with what? Water. This point you have to remember. If I want to balance oxygen, you take water. If you want to balance hydrogen, take H plus. It's a very important point you need to remember in acidic medium. Basic medium we'll discuss next. Now first step is completed. We have written unbalanced equation. Second step, what you have to do better? Anybody? And second step, what we have to do?
Divide the equations into two halves.
Yes, better. So we have tried oxidation of cell and you have tried reduction of cell. So let me take that one here. Now if you observe better how to make this one, right? How to make oxidation of cell and reduction of. So sometimes what happen beta, they don't say it is a acidic medium. They don't mention it is acidic medium. Simply they say H plus. If they write H plus, what it indicates? Acidic medium only. Okay, some cases what happen when they ask in examination, they simply say H plus there. Simply they write H plus there. They don't mention the acidic medium. So if they write H plus here, simply it is called acidic medium only. Now if you observe beta, we have to divide into half cells. So in that case, we should know which is undergoing oxidation and which is undergoing reduction. I will explain here beta again. Cr2O7 minus 2. Now I'm calculating oxidation number for Cr2O7 If anybody do not know this one concept, just watch this video carefully better. How many chromiums are there? 2 chromiums are there. Plus 7 oxygens are there. Oxygen charge minus 2 beta is equal to overall charge kitna hai beta? Minus 2. Now 2 chromiums is equal to kitna आएगा आपको? Plus 12. Now 1 chromium is equal to how much beta? Plus 6. Okay. The oxidation state of number of chromium is how much it is? Plus 6 it is. So write down here. For 1 it is plus 6. For 2 it is plus 12 only. For 2 chromium it will be plus 12 only. Okay. But I am writing for our understanding, simply I am writing plus. Here how much beta for 1? Here how much beta? Now tell me which reaction beta it is? Plus 6 converting into plus 3.
Reduction.
2 plus 3.
Reduction.
I told you many number of times, whenever positive charge is decreasing, nothing but it is a reduction reaction beta. All of you note down this one beta. All of you note down this one. Because in examination, you may get this question directly also, maybe. Isn't it? So you have to do like that, like this same method you have to follow. So this is reduction reaction. So we have tried Cr2O7 minus 2 converting into Cr plus 3 in which cell? Reduction of cell. If it is reduction, definitely, obviously, this will be oxidation only. Otherwise, you can calculate sulfur. Sulfur kitna ho jayega beta? SO2. Sulfur plus 2 oxygens are there. And oxygen is what? Minus 2 is equal to 0 because there is no charge here. So leave it this one, 0 actually. Now sulfur will be how much beta? Plus 4. Now put here what? Plus 4 here. SO4 minus 2. In SO4 minus 2, how do you calculate SO4 minus 2 beta? Sulfur again, or sulfur. Plus 4 oxygens are there and each oxygen is minus 2. And overall charge is how much beta? Minus 2. Put here also what? Minus 2. Now sulfur is equal to how much we got here? Plus 6. Now this one is what? Plus 6. So definitely SO2 to SO3 is what? Oxidation. Now easily we can divide this one into half cells here. Now I am dividing this one into two half cells. Observe here how you are dividing. First oxidation half cell, reduction half cell. Now oxidation में क्या लेना आपको? SO2 converting into SO4 minus. Again I am showing. You see this one better. This one I have to take. Oxidation SO2 converting into SO4 minus 2. Reduction, you have to consider Cr2O7 into Cr plus 3. Right? Let me see. Oxidation, I have taken SO2 converting into SO4 minus 2. In reduction of cell, I have taken Cr2O7 minus 2 converting into chromium plus 3. Now, what is third step beta? Anybody do remember this one? Third step?
Balance each half separately.
Balance other than oxygen and hydrogen. You have to balance except oxygen and hydrogen. Now, except oxygen, hydrogen, sulfur is there, but sulfur already it is balanced. आपको बैलेंस करने की जरूरत नहीं है इस पे. No need to balance here, beta. This side, if you come here, is it required to balance here? Compulsory, you have to balance here. Do we balance here? Because here two chromiums are there, one chromium. Compulsory, we need to balance here. In oxidation half reaction, no need to balance sulfur because already it is balanced. In reduction of cell, we need to balance chromium because there are two chromiums are there here. There only one chromium is there. So we have to balance here. Doing the balancing atoms other than the oxygen and hydrogen. So after that, what we are no need to balance here. So here I have taken 2. Now tell me, except oxygen and hydrogen, remaining atoms are balanced or not? Tell me better. Remaining atoms balanced or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No? Right. Let me take here what? Next we have to balance what beta? Oxygen. Right? Second we have to balance what happened? Oxygen. Now tell me beta, in acidic medium, oxygens are balanced by what molecule beta? In acidic medium, oxygens are balanced with what molecule? Just now we discussed this one. Which molecule
H2.
are taking? H2O. This is important. Here many of them doing some confusion there. Oxygen can be balanced with what? Now let me see here. See better. Now I want to balance here oxygens. Here 4 oxygens are there. Only 2. Now where we have to add water? Left or right hand side? On SO2 side or SO4 side? Do fast. Tell me fast. On SO2 side, there are 2 deficiency of oxygen atoms. So we have to add 2 water molecules on which side? SO2 side. Here. You observe here. 2 oxygens and here also 2 oxygens. Now oxygens are balanced on oxidation half cell here. Right? Now in this side, if you observe here. Now tell me beta, in this case, how many water we have to add? On which side we have to add? Cr2O7 side or chromium plus 3 side? And how many? Yes, beta. How many water we have to add and which side we have to add? Akriti is there. Akriti is there here.
No, sir.
Now tell me, anybody tell me, Prathamesh, is it harder to write water molecules here?
Sir,
Tell me, bit anybody.
sir,
Sir, seven.
बेटा यहाँ पर
Seven
seven. देखो बेटा यहाँ पर here 7 oxygens are there. Here there are no oxygens, so I have to keep here 7 oxygens here to balance this number of oxygens. I have to keep 7 oxygens here. So 7 oxygens will be balanced. But oxygens can be balanced with water, so I have to take 7 water molecules. 7 oxygens balanced. Now tell me, anybody have doubts regarding this one? If you have any doubts, you can speak now. Balancing of hydrogen, balancing of oxygen. If you have any doubts, you can speak now. No doubts?
No, sir.
Now let me take the third one better. Balancing of hydrogen atoms. Now let me see this, the previous one. Now let me take. Do you have any oxygens, hydrogens are there here beta? Are you having any oxygens, hydrogens are there here? On this side? No. Now tell me how many hydrogens I have to add here. Here how many hydrogens are there on this side beta?
2.
2 hydrogen. 2 into 2. 4 there. 4 there better. H2O. One H2O contains 2 hydrogens. 2 H2O contains how many hydrogens beta? 4 hydrogens. So then definitely I have to add here. How many H plus ions here? 4 H plus ions. Right? You observe here what happened. Hydrogens are balanced. Hydrogens are balanced. Here if you observe. Here how many hydrogens are there beta?
14.
14. Now 14 H plus I have to add on this side here. 14 H plus I have to add on this side here. You observe here what happened. So 7 to the 14, 14 H. Hydrogens are balanced with H plus. Oxygens are balanced with water. Now everything, all the atoms are balanced. Except the charge, everything is balanced. You can observe here, everything is balanced. In this reaction, everything is balanced. In this reaction, everything is balanced. Understood better? Next. Lastly, what happened? We need to balance the charges better. How to balance the charges? Then how to balance the charge? Now, when you observe here what happened, balancing the charge, if you observe this, again this one. Now, already I told you what is the charge of SO2 in sulfur. Sulfur oxygen state kitna hai beta? Just now we calculated beta in the previous slide. 1 to 10 rule number, please respond. In 1 to 10 rule number, anybody can respond now. What is the oxidation number of sulfur here? Just now we calculated. Rule number 1 to 10, anybody can respond now. The oxygen state of sulfur. Just now I calculated.
+6.
Yes, इसमें SO2 में SO2 में कितना बेटा?
+4.
+4 +4 है ये। हाँ, इसमें कितना है?
+6.
+6. Now conversion of +4 into +6. Which reaction beta?
Oxidation.
Oxidation. Now oxidation means losing of electron, gaining of electron beta. Losing of electron, gaining of loss of electron. Now कितना electrons lose हो गए पर? How many electrons lost here?
2.
Yes. How many electrons lost here? कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स लॉस हो गए बेटा?
2.
इलेक्ट्रॉन्स लॉस्ट हो गए, ठीक है ना? तो व्हाट वी हैव टू हियर, We have to add, leave the 2 electrons from this one. Here, देखो बेटा, यहाँ क्रोमियम कितना ऑक्सीजन स्टेट, क्रोमियम का ऑक्सीजन कितना आपने कैलकुलेट किया यहाँ पर? ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर कितना है बेटा क्रोमियम का?
+6.
+6. यहाँ पर कितना है? +3. Electrons are gained or lost beta? This process. Electrons are gained or lost? How many?
+3.
3 electrons gained. Correct or not? In this case, how many electrons you are losing here? 2 electrons. So in the oxidation half cell, how many electrons are lost? 2. Reduction half cell, how many electrons are gained? 3. Now, is it called balance? I told you no, the charges should be balanced here. Oxidation side, 2 electrons. Reduction side, 3 electrons. It is not balanced. Correct or not? The first condition already we discussed that one. Statement we discussed just now. The charges must be equal in oxidation and reduction half cell. Correct or not? When you do the balancing here, what happened? Here. Again, I'm writing sulfur is what? +4. Here, sulfur is what? +6. +4 converting into what? +6. Loss of 2 electrons. Loss of 2 electrons. Next here. Chromium is what here? 1 chromium I'm saying. +6. For 1 chromium. For 1 chromium it is what? +3. But how many are there actually here? Generally what happened? 2 chromiums are there. Correct? The charge will be how much here beta? +2. Here also 2 chromiums are there. The charge will be how much here? +6. Now, how many electrons are gained here, beta? How many electrons are gained here? 6 electrons are gained. Now, 2 electrons lost. Loss of 2 electrons. Here, gain of 6 electrons. So, charge is not balanced, beta. Now, charge कैसे balance करना अभी? बोलो. Anybody knows how to balance the charge? For example, if I multiply this equation with 3, now charge is balanced or not? Tell me better. If I multiply this equation with 3, what happens? How many electrons we get? How many electrons we are going to lose here? If I multiply this entire equation with 3, how many electrons we are going to lose now? Tell me, anybody? 6 electrons. So what we have to do? How to balance the charges? So to get here 6 electrons are there. To get here also 6, multiply this one with 3 to the 6. So this I am doing now. What I am doing here? I am multiplying this one with what? 3 now. You see here? This equation, complete equation, I am multiplying with 3 now. Understood better? I am multiplying this one with 3. Now when you multiply, what happen? You will get here. Here I am not multiplying with anything because it is adding 6 electrons. To get here 6 electrons. To get here 6 this I want to convert into 6 here. I want to convert this one to 6 electrons. That is the reason I am multiplying with this one. Because of this, what we get here beta? 3 moles of 3 into SO2, 3 SO2, 3 to the 6 water, 3 SO4 minus 2, 3 for the, how much beta? 12 H plus ions, 3 to the 6 electrons. Here it is common thing. Now you observe 6 electrons. Charge is also balanced here. Balancing of charges is completed. After this, finally, add these two things. Add this equation, add this equation. I am now adding everything. Oxidation half cell, reduction half cell, I am adding now here. Lastly, what happened? We are adding this equation, we get this one. Okay, let me discuss that. Let me write this one first of all. I will write this one, no problem. 3 moles of SO2, I'm writing. 3 moles of SO2 plus 6 moles of water. 6 moles of water gives rise to. Next. 3 moles of SO4 minus 2 plus 12 moles of H plus 6 electrons. Oxidation half cell. Next. Reduction half cell. Cr2O7 minus 2 plus 14H plus. Cr2O7 minus 2 plus 14 H plus 6 electrons, converting into 2 chromium plus 3 plus 7 moles of water. This is called reduction of cell. Now, how to add these reactions? How to add this reaction? When you're adding, what happens? Remember, very important, all of you listen carefully. Opposite means the reactants and products will be cancelled. So if you observe 6 electrons are which side beta? Product side. 6 electrons are reactant side. You can cancel because this plus, if it come here, what happened beta? Minus it. If this plus will come here, what happened? Becomes minus. So opposite you have to cancel. Now 6 water molecule. Here how many beta? 7 means we get only 1. Understood beta? Are you understood here? 12 H plus. Here how many are there? 14. Remaining will be how much better? 2 H plus. So whichever reactant product side, they have to cancel here. Now after that I am writing it. Cr2O7 minus 2 plus 3 moles of SO2 plus, there are no water molecule but 2H plus is there. Write down 2H plus. Gives rise to 2 moles of chromium plus 3 plus 3 moles of SO4 minus 2. Here one water is there. Write down. Now this is called a balanced equation. This is the balanced equation. So there are number of steps are there, but if you practice at least 5 problems, it will be easy for you. Understood? Any doubts you're having regarding this one beta? Are you having any doubts? You got this equation? Are you having any doubts? Speak out if you have any doubts. Now, I will give one example for you. This is homework for you. Everyone should write this as homework. Right. This is an example for you, but this आपको ये same acidic medium only, but same acidic medium only. So you do as a homework for this. You do this as a homework, right? Next, we'll see the next method beta, oxidation number method. Next, we'll discuss about what? Oxidation number. Basic method is also there, but we'll discuss later that. Okay. Now let me the answer you will get this one beta. This is the answer. When you do the problem, this will be the answer for beta. You will get this is the answer. Okay. You should get this is the answer. Right? Oxidation number method. Beta. This is a opposite to ion electron method. Is nothing but oxidation. That in which step we have balanced charges beta? In which step we have balanced the charges?
Fourth.
Yes, last step. But lastly, fourth means generally lastly we balance the charges. First we balanced what actually? Other than oxygen, hydrogen, we balanced. Here, first we balance charges beta. Then after remaining. So what is the difference you are observing in oxidation number and ion electron method? In ion electron method, lastly we balance charges. In oxidation number method, first we balance charges. Then remaining is what? Same only. Remaining whatever thing is common. Only difference you are observing in oxidation number method, the charges you are balancing at first. That is the difference you are finding. Right? Let me take again one more example. This is the example we are taking. Now, same thing we are following MnO4 minus 2, Cl2 giving MnO4 minus plus Cl minus. So first of all, what we have to take here, separate this one here. We separate this one, everything will separate. Then what happened? We'll do this one. So what I will do here, simple thing. Here I will separate first of all. So first of all, I'll write the reaction here. I will do. We'll do first of all MnO4 minus 2, right? So which medium they said here? Let me take that one also. Which medium? Didn't mention. Okay, no problem. Not mentioned. Now I will do acidic medium only, no problem. We'll do acidic medium only. MnO4 minus 2 converting into MnO4 minus. In next case, Cl2 converting into Cl minus. Now we need to balance the charges. Before that, what happened? I will balance other than oxygen, hydrogen also, 2 Clis, right? Then oxygen state of manganese here, anybody? Manganese, MnO4 minus 2. Anybody? MnO4 minus 2 ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर बेटा मैंगनीज का कितना हो जाएगा
+6
4 into -2 is equal to -2 manganese will be what happened +6 so put here +6 MnO4 minus के कितना हो जाएगा MnO4 minus +7 हो जाएगा ना मैंगनीज प्लस 4 into -2 4 into -2 is equal to -1 so manganese will be how much better ये सबको आना चाहिए इफ यू डोंट गेट दिस वन यू कांट डू एनीथिंग यहाँ पर 0 कंपल्सरी एलिमेंटल स्टेट here -1 but how many are there 2 into -1 that equal to what -2 now tell me beta यहाँ पर how many this is process reduction process or oxidation process +6 converting into +7 oxidation how many electrons lost beta
1.
1.
now this process if you observe beta this process is what 0 converting into -2 reduction loss of 1 electron I'm putting a loss of 1 electron here gain of 2 electron gain of 2 electron now charge is balanced here is charge is balanced here
No, sir.
so what we have to do we have to first to balance the charges here so how to get balance anybody how to balance charge
2.
right
Into
but this one I have to if I multiply with this one with 2 what happens let me see 2 moles of MnO4 minus 2 converting into 2 moles of MnO4 minus plus 2 electrons here Cl2 here no need to balance anything better gaining of 2 electrons I can put here 2 like this directly I'm putting here 2 converting into 2Cl now charge is balanced because how do know it is charge is balanced same electrons were getting same electrons therefore charge is balanced after that similar thing here so I have to balance next what oxygens beta oxygens are already balanced here 4 to the 8 4 to the 8 so no need to balance oxygen even no need to balance hydrogens also because there are no hydrogens next is it possible to anything is possible here balancing is impossible because already everything is balanced here so directly you can take this electron directly so I'm writing directly balanced equation like this so 2 moles of MnO4 minus gives rise to 2 moles of MnO4 minus plus 2 electrons I'm adding this first equation and second equation chlorine taking 2 electrons converting into 2Cl minus 2 electrons to electron get cancelled the resulting equation will be 2MnO4 minus 2 reacting with chlorine to give 2MnO4 minus plus 2Cl minus this is the answer so 5 marks long answer question it is so you'll get the 5 marks for this one. The previous one was also long answer question, you'll get the 5 marks. But it looks for simple, but when you do the problem, difficult. So what I'm doing here, isn't it? I will give some questions to you so that you have. Now your textbook, if you observe your textbook beta, here it is there, oxidation number method. Already we have completed this one. It's oxidation number method. This one. Okay, if you want, you can check that one also. You can read that one also. Balancing this reaction. Okay, see here. This one. Cr2O7 SO3, Cr plus SO4 minus 2. This you take as a homework beta. But all these you complete in both medium. Ion electron method you have to do, and also oxidation number method. Both method you have to do for this one, right? Homework for this one. And this one also homework for you. This one also. This is not homework beta because it's basic medium. No, I will explain tomorrow. Basic medium we will discuss next class on Monday. We'll discuss basic medium. We'll discuss on Monday. Okay. This is acidic medium. You can do this one. Question is in acidic medium. You can do this one. Here it is no problem for you. It's an acidic medium. Problem 8.8. You can do this one because it's acidic medium. Right. Next after that. This one, Fe, this one also you can do. You can practice this one. This one also you can practice. Because it is acidic medium beta. You can do this one also, 8.10. Next, coming to exercise. Here it is, 8.18. 8.19. You will get questions from this topic definitely. So when you practice all these questions, it will be easy for you. Acidic medium, you can do. Acidic medium, you can do. Acidic medium, you can do here. And all are basic medium beta. This is not homework. This this will be discussed on Monday because it is basic medium. Okay. So BCD also you have to do. I have given. Now, if you have any difficulty of doing this one, definitely you will get a difficulty over here. This will be difficult for you. Okay, if it's difficult for you, you can ask me on Monday. I will explain that. Right? So this is today, what is the homework for you? Writing acidic medium, balancing of acidic medium reactions. In which method? Ion electron method and oxidation number method. They said here ion electron method, but still, even though if they said ion electron method, you do ion electron method and also what? Oxidation number method. For practice purpose, this you have to do even in oxidation number method also. Both ion electron method, oxidation number method. Now, if you have any doubts, you can speak. If you have any doubts, you can speak better now.
No, sir, no doubts.
No doubts. Right. This is only today topics. On Monday, which time? Because on Monday we have invigilation is there. So we'll take class at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock, do you have a class? Bio also? Bio students. 10 to 10:45 I will take class tomorrow. I mean, on Monday, sorry. Monday, 10 to 10:45. Do you have any class at that time? Do you have any class at that time, beta?
No, sir.
No class, sir.
No class, no? So we'll complete basic medium, ion electron method, and oxidation number method in basic medium. Okay. So the homework which I given today, you have to complete and submit that one by on Monday. By Monday, submit that X, because again I'm repeating here. these questions are very important for us, right? So if you practice these questions only,